Hey guys, welcome from Jerome, Arizona. And we're up here at the mining town. So back behind us, Sedona's all over there. You've got Cottonwood down here. And this one town that a lot of people probably don't know about is Jerome, which is a great little day trip. It's an old mining town, lots of little wine shops, artsy places, and some good food. And a lot of history up here. But we're gonna go into the Haunted Hamburger. It's a famous little restaurant here, and it books up quick, so let's go inside. All right, so this is the building, the original Haunted Hamburger. And the owners actually have several other restaurants around the area. So Bocce Pizzeria is another one of them. And the hotel we're staying in, the Tavern Hotel in Cottonwood, it's also owned by them, several restaurants. But this place is actually haunted too, as well as a lot of the hotels up here. So we're gonna show you these amazing little burgers. There is gluten-free options here. All right, Haunted Hamburger menu. Just pause anytime. Gluten-free options on here, of course. You gotta get here before 12 because this place gets packed. And we got the great view. All right, guys. So you can see, nice pink in there, gluten-free bun. We got the jalapeno coleslaw sides. See some, oh, she's squirting it. Oh, and she went with that little baked potato. That looks delicious. All right, guys, what a great time in here. Definitely get in. It's starting to fill up as we were leaving. It's such a cute town to visit. I definitely recommend coming up here, support the local businesses, and it's a fun little time away. Burger was fantastic, super juicy. Gluten-free bun was amazing. Yep, can't go wrong with the Haunted Hamburger. See ya.